Did you know Tutankhamun was buried with weapons forged from actual space metal? In 2016, scientists made a shocking discovery about the Boy King's famous iron dagger. The blade contained nickel and cobalt ratios identical to iron meteorites, proving it was literally extraterrestrial. This wasn't just any ancient weapon, it was cosmic material that fell from the heavens. In 1323 BCE, iron was more precious than gold, and meteoric iron was considered divine. Ancient Egyptians believed this space metal was a gift from the gods themselves. The craftsmanship is mind-blowing. Bronze Age smiths somehow worked this alien metal into a perfectly balanced blade. The golden handle features intricate decorations that would challenge modern artisans. But here's the kicker. Tutankhamun was buried with 19 other iron objects, all likely meteoric. His entire tomb was a collection of cosmic artifacts. This teenage pharaoh was literally armed with weapons from the stars. Talk about taking divine kingship to the next level.